Hey guys, my name is Charlotte, aka Harney Sense here on YouTube. I thought as it was prom season it would be a good theme to kind of do. I wish did this look for my prom. I just did winged liner and a red lip for my first prom, and I can't remember what I did for summer ball. Mustn't have been very amazing. I much rather wish I did this. I'm loving this look. Quite frankly, I'm feeling myself. If you'd like to see how I create this look and what products I use, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to start off with the NYX Hydra Touch Primer, and I'm going to pop that everywhere because I want this to look quite like dewy and nice. Are you licking my bed? Can you think you can just see his little paws? Oh, isn't he so cute? I've got him up with me because we're going to be spending pretty much all day every day together for the next couple of weeks. So, because my mum is in hospital, if you don't know, you'll have seen my last video that went up on Monday. My mum's in hospital. She's still in a lot of pain. She's one of them women who would never give a 10 for like no matter how much pain she's in, but she's given a 15 for the amount of pain, and she's on a morphine like on demand thing. So she's not doing so well, but she's in less pain this morning, and it's looking like they might be able to operate today. They have to take a gallbladder out, but they have to wait for information to go down before they do that. Alfie, come here. They have to wait for the information to go down before they can operate, but it looks like it might be down enough now. But she's not well, bless her, so yeah. What was that noise? Did you yawn? Oh, look at that gorgeous face. Oh, he misses mummy. He does. Okay. Good boy. Good lie down. Good lie down. So, yes, I miss my mummy too. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I use the shade number 3 True Ivory. I think it's the lightest shade to do. Maybe. I'm just going to square it onto the back of my hand and use my beauty blender like that's damp to pop it on my face. I'm not quite taking it up to my eyes. I'm putting like less foundation on my eyes because I find it makes my concealer look a bit cakey if I put it on my eyes. Good boop, well done. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer for my under eyes. I'm going to put on my eyelids as well. Okay, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer on any blemishes. So basically just all over my chin. Okay, so I'm going to set my under eye concealer with the Milani Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Powder. And I'll just like set my eyelids as well. Okay, so because we're going full glam today with being a prom look, I'm going to take the Morphe 9C palette and properly contour. So I'm going to take a fan brush and my usual like contour shade, which is this like cool toned brown at the bottom on the middle. And I'm going to contour my cheek bones and jawline with that. Okay, so with the fluffier brush, I'm going to take this like light bronzy colour here. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to take the bronzer down my neck as well because I have a very pale neck compared to my face. And I'm not tan in the slightest, it's just my face is just naturally darker than my neck. It's not very nice at all. It does not look good. Okay, so next I'm going to use the California blush from Benefit and put that on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that really small brush I used to set my under eye, and I'm going to take some more of that powder and I'm going to just kind of go over the blush and the bronzer to kind of really blend them together. Okay, so because I want to be a little extra glowy, I'm going to take the Blushing Hearts blusher from I Heart Makeup in Peachy Pink Kisses, and I'm going to take like a mix of these two darker pinks and just go slightly over that blush just to kind of give it more of a glow. I'm just lightly going over the top, ever so slightly. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Soap X Revolution palette and I'm going to take this shade by itself. I'm going to take my Zoeva Luxe Face Focus brush to do so. This is like my perfect shade of highlight, honestly. Okay, so now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paris Brow Pomade. He's smelling my shoes. Just casually. Yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows with this. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I've primed my eyelids with the Ability K Primer Potion. I'm now going to take my Morphe 35P palette, and I'm taking just a white shade to set the primer. Okay, so I'm going to do like a brown kind of smoky eye, I think. So what I'm going to do first is, on a crease brush, I'm going to take this like orangey colour as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take this kind of warm toned brown here and go in the crease with that. I'm going in with the brown that's underneath it, and I'm going to deepen up the crease even more. I'm going to put that slightly on like the outer corner as well. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this really dark brown at the bottom here, and I'm going to take that on like a smaller packing brush, and I'm going to pack that on to the outer corner, and I'm going to go ever so slightly into the crease with it, just kind of blending it along a bit. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the previous brown just to kind of blend out the edges of this darker brown and blend that properly into the crease as well. I'm just kind of like finessing it upwards, if that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend all that together so there's no like harsh lines. I always get like really harsh like lines in here for some reason, so you always have to really focus the blend there. In fact, what I might do, I might take some of that orangey like transition colour just to pop that over this like inner corner bit to really blend everything out there. There, that's worked out better. Okay, so with my finger I'm going to take this colour here, which is like a shimmery, like champagne gold, and I'm going to press that onto like my eyelid. Just to give a little extra like bit of shimmer, because this is an all matte eye look aside from this. Okay, so I'm going to take that packing brush again, and I'm going to pop this brown all like underneath my eye and this dark brown like at the outer corner. Okay, so I'm just going to do my eyeliner with the NYX gel eyeliner, but I'm going to do that off camera because it takes me ages, so I'll see you in like a second. Okay, I've also put the Cheryl lashes by Eyelure Belle of the Ball lashes on off camera, and I've decided I've been doing lashes wrong my whole life, and by my whole life I mean like the last year, because that's the only time I've been wearing lashes, and it's so much easier to put them on before mascara. So now I know. That literally only took one attempt for each eye, and that never, it's usually like 5 attempts for each eye. But just to like blend my lashes together, I'm going to use a tiny bit of the roller lash, and I'm going to try not to get my, like the false lashes. I'm just going to like, you know, just to make my lashes look a little bit more black, because they're looking a little grey. Okay, I'm going to do my bottom lash mascara as well. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Kate Moss lipstick in 08, because it's like a nice pinky nude. Okay, I've lost with my highlighter, so I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Jouer times a Jeffree Star lip topper Sweet Tooth. Okay, so this is the finished look. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up down below and commenting, and also of course subscribe and hit the bell button if you'd like to see more of me. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!